It runs into the night, its whistle blaring into the sidings. Old enginemen say it is a London, Brighton and South Coast Railway B4 class locomotive. Railway enthusiasts think it's an S-class steam locomotive. But I know what it is. It's the ghostly spectre of Hallows Eve.
The Mornington Railway is running Halloween trains on October the 30th. This is basically a normal train, but with the added spookiness of the ghostly spectre itself, K163. It will feature a resident skeleton, models, and other special event kind of stuff. Normal ticket prices do apply, with our normal train starting at 11 o'clock and the last train gets back at around 4 o'clock. For more information, contact us within Australia on 1300 767 274 or send us an email if you need to ask any other things and you're not within Australia. Or if you cannot access one of these, go and contact the Mornington Railway on its Facebook page on www.facebook.com/the Mornington Railway. No spaces, all lowercase. Also, you can leave a comment down in the channel description and I will answer it as well.